Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Kamani. If you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, how your mama, how your cousin them doing? As you know, I say, in this video, I will be doing a iPad 8th generation unboxing. This is going to be the 2020 version, and I did want to share this with you guys. I plan on using this iPad for digital planning, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Don't love these niggas, I dust off these niggas. Do it for fun, don't take it personal. Okay guys, before I stop talking, I am going to be setting the mood so we can get into this unboxing by lighting a candle. This is the candle called Midnight and I got it from Ross. So let's go ahead, let's jump into it. I did go ahead and decide to place a paper-filled screen protector onto my iPad since I will be using it for digital planning. I also got it off of Amazon. The pack came with 2 of the matte paper-filled screen protectors in the box with the kits to both sets. This is also by the brand BOUTIQ. I will have the link in the description box below if you want to go and check it out. Like I said, it was around $14 for the pack of 2 for the paper-like screen protector. Moving on to the accessories, I did get me a flip cover to the iPad. It is a pinkish color and I love it. Although I do have issues with it staying up when it's time to prop it up. But other than that, the case is just fine and it fits the pencil. So it's a win-win for me. Next thing is my pencil grip for my Apple Pencil. I did get the first generation Apple Pencil to go with my digitally planning. So if you guys would like to see a plan with me, just let me know in the comments below. I am not going to be placing the grip covers to the point of the pencil on the pencil because I did hear a lot of information in regards to that it doesn't allow the pencil to work effectively. So I'm not going to be placing those, only the grip on the pencil. After struggling for a hard 10 minutes to put this thing on, I finally did go ahead and get it on, and this is how she looks. Perfect enough for me. I did want to go ahead and thank you guys also for tuning in and watching this video. If you stayed to the end, please make sure that you hit that like button down below and also leave me a comment and what other videos you would like to see. And girl, don't forget to press that red button. It's free and you get some fire videos. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.